Is your FaceTime failing right when you need to make that important call? Whether your video is glitching or your audio won't connect, don't panic. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix FaceTime on your iPhone step by step. Make sure you stick around for the final step. It's the ultimate fix that solves the problem 99% of the time. If the basic tricks don't work, let's dive in. Step 1, the toggle trick. The absolute first thing we need to do is force FaceTime to re-authenticate. Head into your settings, scroll down, to apps, and now go to FaceTime. See the green toggle for FaceTime? Turn it off, give it a few seconds to breathe, then toggle it right back on. You notice it takes a moment to load. This forces your phone to reconnect to Apple servers, which clears up most temporary glitches. If that didn't do the trick, let's try a different connection method. Still in your FaceTime settings, look for the section that says you can be reached by FaceTime at. If only a phone number is checked, try selecting your Apple ID email address as well. Sometimes carrier issues block your phone number from connecting, so routing the call through your email is a great bypass to get you back up and running. Step number 3, still nothing? Let's check for bugs. Go back to the main settings page, tap on General, and then Software Update. If you have a pending iOS update, install it right now. Apple frequently patches known FaceTime bugs in these updates, and running an older iOS version is a massive culprit for connectivity issues. Step number 4, never underestimate the power of turning it off and on again. You have 2 ways to do this. The settings way. Go to Settings, General, scroll to the very bottom, and hit Shutdown. And then if you want to do the button way, you can quickly press volume up, then volume down, and finally press and hold the power button until the screen goes black. Let your phone reboot. This flushes out system errors and gives your phone a fresh slate. Okay, you tried all of the above and FaceTime is still giving you a headache. Here's a master fix I promised you. Go back to Settings, General, scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, and then choose Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this will not delete your photos, apps, or personal data. It simply resets your network and system settings back to factory defaults, completely wiping out any deep-rooted bugs that are stopping FaceTime from working. And that's it. One of those steps should have your FaceTime completely back to normal. If this video helped you out, let me know which step worked for you in the comments down below. Don't forget to drop a like, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.